It's our first time seeing what this Roomba is. So we need to clean it up around the house. What is this thing? Oh, what is that thing? What is that? What is that? Oh, goodness. Are you yelling at your cat? What is that? Milo says, I don't know. Simba, what is this? Midnight? What is that thing? Milo's curious. Where'd it go, Simba? He's gotta go outside and bark. I'm gonna go tell your neighbors about your Roomba. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you barking? That airplane. He's got to bark at his sky birds. Simba. Curious cat. I think it's stuck. Did you get him? What are you doing this morning, puppy? We happy? Oh, we're gonna play. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, get that. What you got? Oh, boy. You happy today? Good morning. Oh, you're slipping, sliding. Slipping, sliding. Look at that fluff you just dropped. Look at that fluff. This is why we have a Roomba, so we can vacuum non-stop. Another fluff. Okay, that's not fluff. That's toy murder. Look at this. Did you murder your toy? Did you murder? Give it. What is that? Oh boy. I'll take it outside. Okay. He's a happy boy today. What you looking at? What you looking at? Oh, here comes another skybird. It's a wonderful thing about living in Vegas. There he goes. Wonderful thing about living in Vegas, and we happen to be directly under the stinking flight path. So, like clockwork, every 30 seconds, there's another plane flying over our house. And when Simba's in the mood to show off, he lets those skybirds know that this is his house. Come on, silly boy. Come on. Get your toy. Get your toy. Okay, you told him. Now you gotta go tell that cat, huh? Oh, does it think it's done already? No, thank you, sir. Oh, now we played. Now it's time for food. Oh, is it a treat? Are you saying it's time for your morning pup? Is it time for your morning pup? For your medicine? You are in such a good mood this morning. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? Good sit. Good boy. There's one. That was his gabapentin. Now he has tropofin. These are because our boy has typical German Shepherd hip dysplasia issues. That's his German Shepherd part. And now he gets some vitamins. Oh, yum. All done. That's it. I'll wait till this evening for the next ones. That's it. I promise. That's all. All done. Good boy. Go play. Oh, go get that thing. Go get that thing. What is that thing? What is it? Oh, do I want to eat or do I want to play? Oh, it's by your bed. Oh, and I see your brother left out a sock. Let's get that before the Roomba gets it. Oh, I got my toe. Where's that cat? Where's your cat? Huh? Oh, Midnight's still cautiously observing. Meow. Meow. Kiki, come here. Meow. No? Okay. Oh, Milo made it to a chair. Hi, cat. Hi, baby. Oh, kisses. What is that? This is our baby. He is just over a year old. And he thinks he's a dog. But Midnight tries to tell him he's a cat. But he still thinks he's a dog. Are you watching it? What you doing? Oh, okay. Chair hopping. Simba's celebrating his morning playtime by eating. Looks like you need more food. Do you need more food? Huh? Okay, yep, it's out. Some more food for the doggo. Oh, so patient. Oh, there's the coffee. I don't know how well this thing is working. You think it's working, puppy? I'm seeing some dog fluff still flying around. It's definitely mopped it. Let's see if it gets that. I'm just gonna bypass it. Looks like the couch pillows all fell down. Oh. Yep, missed it again. This is kind of cool. You know, we just got hardwood floors installed recently over the summer because with animals and severe allergies. Oh, get it. It's time to say goodbye to the carpets. So I've wanted a Roomba for a while, but you know, being a teacher in Clark County, we don't get paid very well, so Roomba's not on the top of the priority. However, we found this little guy. It's an older model. We found it at a thrift store. And all it needed was a charging base, which we got off of Amazon. And now we have a new to us Roomba for like $50 at the most. So yay. Yay for us. Okay, eating more. More eating time. Yeah, it's just kind of pushing the fluff, but we'll see. I'm not convinced yet if it's worth it or not. Chomp, chomp, chomp. No, you don't need your cone right now. So we have to put a cone on him. He actually kind of enjoys it. He gets really callousy elbows. You see that? It's just kind of a big dog thing. He has his lovely beds. However, he is a big dog, a hot dog, and he prefers to lay on the hard floor or even outside on the rocks. And unfortunately, like, yes, we know he's got a yard full of rocks. We hate it. We wish we had grass for him. However, we live in the desert. Grass is pretty much all but illegal anymore because of water conservation. So that's an unfortunate part about living in Vegas. All right, well, Milo's gonna keep watching this thing. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Simba's out chasing skybirds this morning. Where'd you go? There he is. Hi. What are you doing? Tried to grow a garden. Yeah, gardens in the desert just scorch. Hey, puppy. What you doing? Watching for the skybird. Come on. You just want to be outside. It's finally nice and cool today. Oh, feels great. It's been over 100, in the hundreds for like months. Finally a nice cool morning. Oh, yep, we got to drink out of the cat water. Ball or food? More chomps. Hi, we're bothering you. Oh, just inhale it. So yeah, that's the typical Saturday morning for Mr. Simba. That's our good boy, huh? Okay. It's probably about time for nap time for this old boy, huh? More food first. Oh, yes, and he has his comfort ball. So he usually has balls all around his food because he plays. Am I talking about you? He plays until he realizes he's hungry, and then he drops his ball and scorfs. And now he's trying to decide which ball to get. Love this boy. Now we're watching. Now we're watching that Roomba. Don't really like it, huh? You look so worried. Hi, Simba. This is our typical Saturday morning before the teenagers and the daddy get up. Daddy's out of town this weekend, but that's how we spend our Saturday mornings. Mama and the dog and the curious cats. And now Simba's ready for his morning nap because he played and he pooped and he ate. I got my charging cord. And now he's cautiously aware of that silly robot. Look at those big eyes. Are you scared? It's okay. Those ears say, oh, I don't like this, Mom. What do you think of that? Huh? You too. No, no more treats. Oh, something's stuck on it. There it goes. We're still learning this thing. Obviously, Saturday's cleaning day, and the house isn't the best right now. But, oh, you're so happy. Oh, it's by your food, Simba. Oh no. What are you gonna do? It's by your food. It's by the water making a mess. What you doing, puppy? You can't decide. You want to go back outside again? Get away from this thing. All right.